in the exercise 3.3 for the fourth problem, third and fourth problem, whenever you are saying, the question is given to you that the taxi charges in a city consisting of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Together with the charge. So I'm going to show the question to you so that it is a little bit clear to you. Okay. Is the presentation visible to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the question here. I'm going to highlight it here. So what is the question given here? Fixed charge for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge was paid was 105 rupees. And for a journey of the 15 kilometers, it is 155 rupees. Okay. So already we have discussed this question in the starting. So
Sir,
what are the fixed charges? Yes.
sir, your voice is coming so slowly. Can you speak some louder?
Yes, I am speaking very much louder.
Sir, now it is okay.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, the question is given to you. The taxi charges in a city consisting of the fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid was 105 rupees, and for a journey of the 15 kilometers, it is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of the 25 kilometers? So this is the question to you. So now here, whenever you are taking into consider this, so what is the first thing we need to consider? Fixed charge. So let us consider the fixed charge as a, let the fixed charge is equals to rupees X. Okay. And charge per kilometer per 1 kilometer is equals to rupees Y. Charge per 1 kilometer is rupees Y. So here then X plus 10Y is equals to 105 as per the question, because for the 10 kilometers fixed charge per 1 kilometer by rupees, so 10y is equals to 105 rupees, and another equation we are going to get 155 rupees for the 15 kilometers. So x plus 15y is equals to 155 rupees. So 155, yes. So this is the equation number 1 you consider, this is the equation number 2 you consider.
सर ये एलिमिनेशन से कराओगे सब्स्टिट्यूशन?
Substitution, better we do it in a substitution only, because as this question is given to you in your exercise 3.3, but whenever this question is asked to you in the examination, better you do it in a any
बेटर
manner.
प्रोडक्ट.
That is up to you. Yes, you can do it. It's not mandatory that in the exam you need to do the only substitution method. Better in this, for a practicing purpose, you need to do these all the problems in a substitution method. But after learning all the concepts, either elimination or cross multiplication, whatever it is suitable to you, that you can do it. But let us go for the substitution method only. So x is equals to 105 minus 10y. This you have to substitute in equation number 2.
2.
So main thing is getting the equations only, the main thing here. So as you get the equations, then it is an easy task for you. So equation number 2. Equation number 2 में substitute करो 105 minus 10y. 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equals to 155. 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equals to 155. So 105 minus 5y is equals to 155. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes,
So
sir.
155,
Sir,
yes,
sir, there will be
105,
sign there.
yes,
So it will be 105 plus. Yes, sir. There will be plus sign before
105.
5y.
Ah,
Plus
Yes, sir.
yes,
वहाँ
5y.
पे प्लस साइन
you are
होगा.
going to get the plus 5. Ah, so that is, yes, very good. 5y is equals to 155
There
minus
is plus.
100. See, yes, it gets clear. Wait. So 5y is equals to 155 means 50 we are going to get. So y is equals to 10 we are going to get. This you substitute in any one of the equation. Substitute in equation number 1. So x is equals to, we are going to get x plus 10 into 10 is equals to 105. So x is equals to 105 minus 100. So x is equals to 5. We are going to get it as a this as x is equals to 5, y is equals to 10. Now the question is asking to you for 25 kilometers, what is the charge? The
Sir,
charge for
x plus
25
25
kilometers.
y equals to.
Yes, charge for 25 kilometers is equals to. So what is the charge for 25 kilometers?
Sir,
Sir,
x
x
plus
plus
25y.
25 y.
X plus 25 y we are
25
going to get.
25 y.
X plus
equals
25
to
y. So
250.
x is equals to 5
Sir,
plus
255.
10 plus 5.
255.
55.
That's all. Very simple. It's not a difficult task for you to do this question, I think so. So coming to the question number 6, you may feel that 5 already we have, you can do it. Question number 6 you see here. In the question number 6, what is given? 5 years hence. Hence is nothing but what is meant by hence?
Sir, 5 years from now.
Yes, 5 years from now. The question is here, this one. Okay, 5 years hence, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times the age of the his son. And 5 years ago, Jacob age was 7 times as old as his son. What are their present ages? Okay, so we need to discuss about the both Jacob, Jacob age, and his son age. These two things we have to discuss here, Jacob and his son age. Okay, so these two, present age and 5 years hence and 5 years ago, these three ages we need to write here. Then after we have to, according to the question, how many times it is given, that many times we need to take into consider. Okay, so now what we will do here, this situation, 5 years hence it is. So sixth problem, let the present ages of Jacob and his son X and Y respectively. Five years hence. 5 years hence. Their ages. 5 years hence their ages. Jacob age. Can anyone tell?
X plus
5
5.
years hence X plus
Sir, x plus
5.
5.
Jacob's son age
So y plus 5.
Sir, 3x
Y
plus
Y
y.
plus
plus
5.
Y.
5. So as per the question, 5 years hence Jacob will be 3 times. This will be 3 times. X plus 5 will be 3 times the y plus 5. X plus 5 will be 3 times y plus 5. So now what you get here from this, x plus y is equals to 3y plus 15. So from this we are going to get x minus 3y minus 10 is equals to 0 is the equation. This is 5 years hence. Okay, 5 years ago. 5 years ago.
X minus
They,
3.
Sir,
yes,
x
5 years
minus.
ago, their ages. means Jacob age is equals to x
X minus 5.
minus 5.
X minus
His son
7.
age.
Sir,
Y
x
minus
minus
5.
3 is equal to 7, y minus 3.
Yes. Jacob's son age is equals to y minus 5. So after 5 years, 7 times it is given. So Jacob is 7 times ago, 5 years ago, it is given that 7 times as old as. So x minus 5 is equals to 7 times of y minus 5. So x minus 5 is equals to 7y minus 35. 7y minus 35. X minus 7y plus 30 is equals to 0. X minus 7y plus 30 is equals to 0.
Sir, minus 30.
हाँ?
No,
Minus 30
sir,
or plus
वो
30?
नहीं उस तरफ
sir,
आगे
it will be plus 30. Sir, yes,
Yes,
sir.
plus
Whenever
30
it will
only.
be transferred to
Because
another side, then it will carry minus side only.
yes. When it is transferred to the left side, minus 35 will become the plus 35, minus 5 plus 30. So be careful whenever you are solving this. So first equation you consider. From this equation number 1 can be written as x is equals to 3y plus 10. Substitute in equation number 2. So second equation implies in the place of x is 3y plus 10. Here 3y plus 10 should be substituted in that place. 3y plus 10 minus 7y plus 30 is equals to 0. So what do you get here? ये दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई कर ले तो
minus
minus
5y
4y
sorry sir
7 and 3 minus 4y plus 40 is equals to 0. 4y is equals to 40. Y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 10. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So this y is equals to 10 you have to substitute in equation number 1. So 1 implies, equation number 1 implies. So 1 में क्या है? X is equals to 3y plus 10. 3y plus 10. So 3 into 10 plus 10. X is equals to 30 plus 10, which is equals to 40. X is equals to 40. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So x is equals to
Okay,
40,
sir.
y is equals to 10. How do you verify? And most of the students
Sir, by putting
will
in
not.
the equation. Well,
Not only putting in the equation. Suppose if you frame the equation wrong, most of the students will commit this mistake. ये दोनों वैल्यूज इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो आपको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो सही आंसर हो सकता है. But whether it is right according to the question or not, these are the what percentages. आप सिंपली ऐसा भी नहीं चेक करना, ओरिजिनल सिचुएशन पे आना. व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन in what according to the what situation, what can be done here? X is equals to 40, y is equals to 10. So that is nothing but Jacob present age is 40, उनका son age present age is 10. Okay. 5 years hence, after 5 years their ages, इनका 45 होगा, इनका 15 होगा. Okay. ये 15 का 3 times है 40.
45.
Right.
35
Like this.
35
Better you check like this. Okay. 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले 40 minus 5 35. 10 minus 5 5. So इसका 7 times ये है. ये 7 times दे दिया. सही है. Sometimes what happens, you may frame the equation wrong while doing the calculation. So that's why better you substitute in the original situation में substitute करना. After substituting in the situation, then you will be able to understand. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, let us move to the elimination method.